Hey guys, good afternoon. Today's been a really interesting day, I guess. For the most part, I just stayed at home and really didn't do anything. We finished up a ton of laundry. We figured out that the hot water heater was leaking, so we had to turn off the water, and my dad's gonna get parts and stuff for it to fix it tomorrow. But we noticed that later on tonight, so it didn't really mess up any of the laundry and stuff we were doing. But Tristan came over and hung out for a little bit today. And my dad rented like 3 movies, and I think he's watched almost all of them. But yeah, I'm gonna go now and get some sleep. And I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye. It's time for the comment portion of the video. If there's any comments today, but today's question of the day is, do you guys read any comic books or graphic novels of any sorts? I do have some comic books, and I also have 2 graphic novels. So yeah. But comment down below and let me know. You can tell me which ones you have or anything like that if you want to. And please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.